I will give a brief idea about how to the wiring for bearing temperature and vibration alarm at field side for VSF and TEF. This is a small tutorial. So this is a VSF, no, TEF. Okay, TEF. Here this emergency push button, and this is its junction box. There are two sensors are there. These sensors, transducers measure, temperature values. Two temperature provided. Two temperature sensors provided because one is for east side and other for west side. So uh, from that from this equipment that TF fan. So this first two cable, this cable is for bearing temperature east. So the bearing temperature east value will come here. From here it is go to this transducer. From this transducer we get a 40-20 milliamps. These two bearing temperature west, this two cables, this is for winding temperature alarm, and this last two cable for vibration. This is a PT100 transducer. So it measures 0 to 100 and 4 to 20 milliamps output, and its connection diagram, so you can see here. So the field, whatever the cable coming, that has to connect from 2 and 3. I mean, this two cable has to connect uh, at 2 and 3, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 are shorted, and this 7 and 8 is 4 to 20 milliamps output. So 7 and 8, so you can see 7 and 8 here. This is 4 to 20 milliamps output. So you can measure 4 to 20 milliamps output here. So and also, otherwise you can check resistance. Here you will get around 120 and above resistance. You can put a multimeter in resistance mode and you can check. Otherwise you can directly measure. Even fan is off, also you will get a bearing temperature. You can just measure the resistance here. This is the BMS cable, and BMS cable, this is one cable. This red color cable is milliamps. That's going to our analog channel. This black cable is 24 volt from our BMS panel. And here the field side termination 2 and 3, that is going to here. Uh, Going to here 2 and 3. Okay, 2 and 3 is going to here, and see one, this other two, 1 and 2 is shorted, 3 and 4 shorted. 1 and 2 is shorted, 3 and 4 is shorted, and here the connection. This is just connection. Two sensors are there, both sensors are same, and here we have to connect a vibration cable to vibration. This is 4 to 20 milliamps going to our panel, and this is also current signal voltage coming from our panel, and milliamps is going to our channel. This is a digital input vibration sensor alarm. It is normally closed and vibration is high. Sorry, this is for temperature, and temperature is high, winding temperature. This will open. Okay. And its channel settings. Channel settings shall be 4 to 20 milliamps, and the raw value high maximum is 32,737, and minimum shall be 11. That shall be settings. And its calibration is 20 to 127. For temperature 20 to 127, and for vibration 0 to 50. That is channel, and also 0 to 11 to 32,000 and 237 shall be its raw value maximum. For this is an emergency stop button, so the connection is shall be NO. So here these two cables shall be NO. Normally open has taken. So if it is normally open, This is the one, and these two are normally closed one, normally closed terminal. So it is mentioned it here, uh, normally open. Here it is mentioned NC, that bottom side. NC is mentioned here. This two are NC. NO mentioned here. Again, this one here it is mentioned NO here and here. Here mentioned NC. These two places. So these are NO, and this bottom, this one is NC. This and this last one. Okay, I will tell how this is checking how the sensor is working correct or not. This is sensor, and here you can see the sensor. You are getting a PT100 resistance from field, and it's connected to 2 and 3. So this 2 and 3, this is a resistance. So we can check this resistance value to 2 and 3, and the value shall be around 110 and above. Can I just connect multimeter here? So in 2 and 3, so the value you have to put to mega ohm, no, just ohm. So 111 shall be there. You don't measure here. This is milliamps output. Here to measure as per the drawing. Here you have to measure. Then if you get 105 from field side, it is okay. When we connect a BMS cable, we get the value. Then also not getting, check the fuse, and even though not getting value, check the connection at AI channel whether it is on current or not. And if it is on current, then again check in program it is in current, its current settings, and also check that raw value and scaling. This is only okay. Thanks.